This is Maryam from Crochet Chilpil, and today we want to learn how to crochet half Adrienne square. Let's get started. To get started, make a slip knot and chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Make a slip stitch into the first chain to create a circle. Now inside the ring, make 9 single crochets. 1, and take this short tail along with you to hide. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now turn the project. Into the very first stitch, make a double crochet. My first double crochet in every row is 1 single crochet plus 2 chains. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip the next stitch and make a double crochet into the next. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip the next, make a double crochet next. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip the next stitch and make a double crochet into the next. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a double crochet into the last single crochet. And if it's tight, take your needle and open it. Make your last double crochet into the last single crochet. And this is the end of row 2. Row 3, turn the project. Make a slip stitch into this chain 4 space. Now into the same space, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. And into every chain 4 space, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. And this is the end of row 3. Now for row 4, turn the project. Make a double crochet into the very first stitch. My first double crochet is 1 single crochet plus 2 chains. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make a single crochet between the next 2 double crochets right here. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make another single crochet between the next 2 double crochets. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make 1 double crochet in the space between the last single crochet of the current petal and the first single crochet of the next petal. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make a single crochet in the space between our 2 double crochets right here. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make another single crochet in the space between the next 2 double crochets. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Into the last stitch, which is our single crochet, make 1 double crochet. And this is the end of row 4. Row 5, turn the project. Into the very first stitch, make 2 double crochets. My first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make 4 double crochets into the next chain 5 space. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Into the next space, next chain space, make 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 double crochets in next space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now into this double crochet, make 2 double crochets. 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. 2 more double crochets into the same stitch. 1 and 2. Now make 4 double crochets into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 3, and 4. Another 4 double crochets into the next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the last space, 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And into the last stitch, which was our double crochet, make 2 double crochets. Our last double crochet was 1 single crochet plus 2 chains. Make your last 2 double crochets into the second chain. Right here, I make my stitches in both loops. Here's the first one, and the second one. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. And this is how it looks like. Hide the tails at the back of your work, back and forth. This is how it looks like at the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support me. See you next tutorials. Bye!